My name is Matt. I'm from Cincinnati, Ohio. I wear all 3 devices from Naked Prosthetics. The reason I wear these devices, I actually had some blood clots and ended up with gangrene in my fingers, and later on had to be amputated. I lost my thumb down to here, obviously my pointer finger down the first knuckle, and middle finger the first knuckle, and my ring finger down the second knuckle. I was at work one day and right arm started going numb, thought I was having a heart attack, and it was blood clots, and had 4 surgeries and a lot of heartache, a lot of physical therapy, a lot of stuff and everything, and definitely didn't think I'd be where I am today. I was hard-headed because I wasn't even going to go to get a prosthetic or anything like that, but the clinician that I was working with contacted Naked Prosthetics and seen that you had a beta study, and he enrolled me in it. Got to see the devices, and they did a fitting for me that was custom to my hand, and I started going through physical therapy without the device and with the device, and basically that's kind of how I got to be with Naked Prosthetics, and then from there it's been a good time. I was depressed. I'm self-conscious, very, very self-conscious about anybody seeing my hand. I would always wear a glove. Now I got the coolest hand in Cincinnati. Apart from feeling like I'm not a whole man, I didn't want nobody to see me in public. I didn't want to go out, you know what I mean? It really affected my psyche just as much, if not more, than it did not having, you know, my right hand. I'm a concrete finisher, a cement mason. When I had my blood clots and my fingers were amputated, my career as being a cement mason was over with. And little did I know it wasn't, because once I went through physical therapy and got my device and stuff, I started working my right arm and right hand out to the point where I was able to start working. And before you know it, you know, little by little, it just got to where I was right back in the running, so to speak. My confidence is just right where it needs to be. It's through the roof. So, you know, the big thing about, you know, Naked Prosthetics is people need to know about this device. Somebody who can't ride or think that they're never gonna be able to do this again, like, man, you're wrong, you know. I really hope that people who do have that get to know about this product, this device, and hopefully if it does half the changes in their life that it's done in mine, then they'll be doing really good.